beautiful people. Today I'm going to show you how to make empanadas de carne, beef empanadas. This is a quick recipe. I'm only posting this recipe because I shared my Cuban style picadillo with you guys and I have a little bit of leftover. I always tend to have leftover on purpose because I know the next day I can have some delicious empanadas for lunch or breakfast. I do not make my own empanada dough. I never have. I might, but I like to buy this one. This is the Goya empanada. This is the smaller size that they have. It doesn't really say the size, but yeah, no, it just says it brings 10, it's 14 ounces. That's all I know. And I love this dough. So I never find the need to buy my own empanada dough. But if you want to learn how to make your own, I'm pretty sure you can find videos online. I might learn how to make it because I know it's not hard. It's just pretty much oil, flour, water. That's it. I'm guessing. I have my store-bought empanada dough. You also need, wow, this one broke. Let's see if I can patch it together. Okay, you also need your picadillo. This is my favorite Cuban style picadillo. It is delicious, and you're going to need a little bit of water and also some oil to fry your empanada. You can make it 3 ways: baked, fried, or air fried. My favorite is air fried just because I don't really like frying that much, but obviously fried empanada is the traditional way. The first thing, you have to wet the sides, well, the rim of your dough. Okay, so with my fingers, as you can see, I'm going all around the rim. I will get a little bit of my filling, right? I think about 2 tablespoons of that filling, and then I'm gonna do it this way so you can see. You wanna do it like this. Make sure you get rid of all, oh, you see, I overfilled this one. Sure, okay. You get rid of all the air bubbles. With your fork, you go in and you close it up. And this is it. Just like so, you have your beautiful empanada. So I'm going to continue making the empanadas and then I'm going to show you how I cook them. Okay, so to make the empanadas in the air fryer, all I do is spray them or brush them with a little bit of oil. I don't know if this has, okay, yeah, it does. So with a little bit of oil, both sides, then we pop them right into the little basket. Okay, and now these are going to cook in the air fryer for about 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. So I will show you how these turn out. Now we're gonna go over to the stove so we can fry them so you can see the difference. Okay, so I got my skillet here with the oil. It's at 375, so deep frying temperature. I also have a plate lined with some paper towel ready for me. So I'm going to drop them right in. We're gonna cook it until they are nice and golden brown and crispy. Then on one side, then we flip it. We are going to flip this on the other side. Okay, so these are looking pretty good on that side, so let's flip them again one last time so our other side can get nice and crispy, and then we take them out. We put them on our plate to drain. My empanadas are ready, and these are the fried ones. As you can see, they're golden brown and perfect. The air fried one takes a little longer. I didn't make any baked ones, but I will leave the instructions in the recipe. And remember, you can always find my recipe on my website, anitasdelightrecipes.com. I have one air fried empanada. As you can see, it's not as golden. It still gets crispy, but it doesn't have this traditional, especially for me since I grew up eating these. It doesn't have that traditional color, and it's also the fried one is nice and bubbly. As you can see, it has a bunch of like bubbles all around, which makes it even crispier and more delicious. But the air fried ones, of course, are a little bit healthier, so it depends on how you want to make it. I'm gonna go ahead and make the sacrifice and eating a fried one for you guys. It's not much of a sacrifice, but I really haven't had a fried empanada in so long. I always air fry them because it is a lot easier, even though it takes a little more time, so and a lot healthier too. I love empanada dough. This is so yummy. Such a perfect way to use leftover picadillo. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and simple recipe of ways you can use leftover picadillo. I will be sharing a few other empanadas recipes with you guys along the way. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.